Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Used to be Crazy Husband's point of view. Now we're going to go with Crazy Man's point of view. I'm having an eye on you guys. Alright, reason why I changed the name is because I was having a heart-to-heart with myself. Realized that there were other people other than husbands. So, I'm crazy. I'm a man. Let's roll with it. Alright, now, as I stated before, in my other video, my intro video, I'll be showing you guys stuff to help you along the way. Now, this is a workstation. Made my own. Stuff from thrift stores, Goodwill, yard sales even. So let's rummage through this thing, show you everything. Maybe y'all have a good opportunity to start working on your own. Alright, we'll start off in this corner over here where we got the laptop and USB hub. This guy's pretty awesome. It has switches. So you can turn on and off what you don't need. Then we go over to here. We got the nice, sweet keyboard. And this mouse, OMG guys, this mouse here is my pride and joy. My wife got me this one. Watch this. Watch that pointer. What's that? Look at that pointer move. All because of this little ball here. My wife is so freaking awesome. Oh, FYI, there's a nice little picture of her. That's our wedding day on the right. That was my first smartphone on the left. God, she's so beautiful. Alright, we're moving on. Also, my other pride and joy. This sweet cup right here. I don't know how many Superman cups I've gone through over the years. But I'm glad I can keep, going at it. FYI. Wish, guys. Wish.com. Check it out. Titanium. Both of them. Superman symbols right there. Superman symbols. Alright. Went a little frugal. Even got a wedding band. Got a couple wedding bands there. Wish.com. Her weirdo. She's got his crazy. And she is. Alright, let's go down to the second level here. We have clips. Yeah, I know it seems weird, but I have pins. These pins are awesome. Check these out. You put your finger through there, right? Got a watch. 10:47 p.m. Back here, my switch for doing these videos, but I'm doing it by Stealthy Stick. 3 ring binders. Tablet's charging up. That's my phone charger. Going over here, the Roku. Yeah, HDMI hooked up to this sweet monitor. You can't beat that. You can go from laptop, Roku, laptop. Best of both worlds. Yes, I must show the toilet paper. Shoestring. Shoestring budget. Alright. Plug-ins, headphones, selfie stick holder. If I wasn't using it right now. Alright, moving over to the right-hand side, we have pencil holder. Nice little pencil holder. Tape measures. Light bulb paper clips. Air freshener on USBs. And a sweet. Look at this, guys. Woo! Printer. Yeah. Move it about. Yeah. Some extra stuff back there. You gotta have floss all the time, guys. Floss it. 3-hole punch. Got cabinets underneath for extra storage. Stuff for my wife. And guys, no, I don't have a mistress, so yes, that's my stuff for my wife. Unicorns and windmills and everything. Alright, going over here on the right-hand side, got clipboards. That's my cane. Yes, I have a small little disabilities, guys. Not that big a deal. We're moving on in life. Our shoes in the background. And we'll just go ahead and show you the... This little sucker's awesome. That's our first aid kit stuff. Wonderful stuff over there. Get us through these pandemic times. Anywho, so there it is. Large, in charge. Y'all can move it around the house. Everything. Around the house. I'm in the bedroom right now, sitting on the edge of the bed, so yeah. Oh, hey. Say hey, Oreo. Yes, we have dirty dishes, not that big a deal. It's live, it's middle of the night. There's my gripper. Look at that. Got it velcroed on the side there. Oof. Yep. Alright, folks. Well, y'all have yourselves a wonderful night. Say goodnight, Oreo. Good night, Oreo. Have a nice night, guys.